how to turn on or turn off auto scan apps daily in Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. First of all, open settings, scroll down, click on security and privacy, click on app security, click on app protection, click on three dots more option, click on app protection settings. Here you will see auto scan app daily button, and if you want to turn on auto scan apps daily, then turn on this button. After turning on this button, auto scan apply daily will be turned on from your phone, and if you want to turn off auto scan apps daily, then turn off this button. After turning off this button, auto scan apps daily will be turned on from your phone. By this button you can turn on or turn off auto scan apps daily from your phone. This is how you can turn on or turn off auto scan apps daily in Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. I hope you like this video and thanks for watching this video.